nature of anxiety and depression. Unraveling the complexities. Anxiety and depression are complex mental health conditions that have been a part of human existence since ancient times. Worrying, in itself, is not inherently bad. It can serve as motivation to push us forward and prevent potential risks. However, it is crucial to differentiate between useful concern and excessive worry that can lead to anxiety disorders. In our daily lives, we often encounter situations that naturally evoke worry. For example, when preparing for an important interview or presentation, it's natural to feel a level of concern as we gather knowledge and anticipate potential questions in order to respond effectively. This type of worry can be seen as beneficial as it motivates us to prepare adequately. However, excessive worrying goes beyond the bounds of usefulness. It involves continuously indulging in never-ending worries and imagining worst-case scenarios without finding any solutions or recourse. This kind of worrying often leads to losing sleep, appetite disturbances, and an overall preoccupation with negative thoughts. When excessive worrying becomes persistent and interferes with daily functioning, it may indicate an anxiety disorder. Individuals with anxiety disorders find themselves constantly fearful of everything around them. They believe that negative events will inevitably occur in their lives, regardless of evidence suggesting otherwise. This state of constant anxiety persists throughout their day, from the moment they wake up until they close their eyes at night, and even infiltrates their dreams despite their desire to escape from this anxious state. Interestingly enough, attempting to suppress or chase away this anxiety only serves to intensify its presence within us while significantly impacting our autonomic nervous system, the part responsible for regulating bodily functions outside conscious control such as heart rate and digestion. Consequently, a cycle forms where anxiety feeds into depression and vice versa. The fear associated with experiencing symptoms such as insomnia, heart palpitations, nausea, shortness of breath, and high blood pressure only amplifies these symptoms further. This heightened symptomatology leads to increased fear and panic, perpetuating the cycle of anxiety and depression. Understanding the interconnectedness of anxiety and depression is crucial in developing effective treatment strategies. It is important to recognize that these conditions are not simply a matter of willpower or personal weakness. They are complex disorders influenced by a combination of genetic, biological, environmental, and psychological factors. Treatment for anxiety and depression often involves a multidimensional approach. Psychotherapy, such as cognitive behavioral therapy, can help individuals identify negative thought patterns and develop healthier coping mechanisms. Medication may also be prescribed in some cases to alleviate symptoms. In addition to professional help, there are several self-care practices that can aid in managing anxiety and depression. Regular exercise has been shown to have positive effects on mental health by reducing stress levels and releasing endorphins, natural mood-boosting chemicals in the brain. Engaging in activities that bring joy or relaxation, such as hobbies or spending time with loved ones, can also provide emotional support. Mindfulness techniques like meditation or deep breathing exercises can help individuals become more aware of their thoughts and emotions without judgment or attachment. This practice allows for greater self-reflection and helps break free from the cycle of anxious thoughts. Building a strong support network is another essential aspect of managing anxiety and depression effectively. Surrounding oneself with understanding friends, family members, or support groups creates an environment where one feels safe expressing their feelings without judgment. It's important to remember that recovery from anxiety disorders and depression takes time. It is not an overnight process. Each individual's journey towards healing will be unique based on their specific circumstances. What works for one person may not work for another. Please subscribe to the channel to share more